Oyster, Ostridae, Talaba in Tagalog, and Tagimtim in Visaya. Oyster. It is a mollusk with a soft and segmented body protected by two permanent hard shells, which increase in size as the animal grows. Oyster is the common name for a number of different families of saltwater bivalve mollusks that live in marine or brackish habitats. In some species, the valves are highly calcified, and many are somewhat irregular in shape. Oysters are bivalve mollusks that live in warm or temperate coastal waters and estuaries. They are widely distributed globally. Oysters are typically between 3 and 14 inches, or 7.6 to 36 centimeters long. They are clustered on hard, submerged surface. As they grow, they fuse together, forming rock-like reefs. It provides habitats for other marine animals like mussels, barnacles, and sea animals. The reefs also act as nurseries for many fish species and other organisms. The crevices in oyster reefs provide great places to hide from predators. The reefs can serve as barriers to storm and tides, preventing erosion. Oysters have rough, hard shells. The two shells, called valves, attach together at one end by a hinge and a single large muscle, called the adductor muscle. The shells form a watertight seal when fully closed. Oysters make water healthier by filtering and cleaning the surrounding seawater. They are suspension feeders. They feed by extracting algae and other food particles from the water. Food is drawn by the motion of small, fringe-like webs called cilia located on the gills. Particles are captured at the filtration surfaces of the gills. Their ability to sort food from silt allows them to inhabit water with high turbidity. They improve water that is overloaded with nutrients. A single oyster can filter up to 50 gallons, or 189 liters, of water per day. Individual oyster can function as both male or female. They change gender periodically. They reproduce by broadcast spawning. They begin life as free-floating larvae. Then they settle and attach to a solid surfaces like rocks, old shells, and pierce by secreting a cement-like glue. Predator-like birds, sea anemones, crabs, and sea stars prey on oysters. People have been enjoying oysters raw with cooked for thousands of years. They are high in calcium, iron, and protein. They are considered a seafood delicacy. Oyster shells are used for things like calcium supplements. Food oysters shouldn't be confused with pearl oysters. Pearl oysters are from a different family of bivalves, while true oysters are in the family Ostridae. This is the anatomy of oyster.